कोयराचो प्रश्न जाग्यार पडपाचें नांव घेना। परवरी विद्या प्रबोधिनी कॉलेजीचे फुडले वटेनचे बंद सरकारी क्वार्टर्स कोयराचो अड्डो जाला। वाठारांत घाणीचें साम्राज्य पाताळा। इतलेंच न्हू, हे क्वार्टर्स मच्छर पैदास केंद्र जाला। पळयात नितीक्षा गांवकाराचो रिपोर्ट।
परवरी जे विद्या प्रबोधिनी स्कूल आसा त्याच्या ओपोजीट जे गव्हर्मेंटाचे क्वार्टर्स आसा ते बंद आसा आनी थंय जर आयज आमी पळोवपाक शकता इतली आमकां गार्बेज पळोवपाक मेळटा। खंय तरी ही जी गार्बेज आसा ही क्लीन करपाक जाय, बिकॉज आयज ह्या रस्त्याचेर इतली लोक हाडटा आनी गार्बेज डंप करता। खंय तरी एवरीडे हे क्लीन जावपाची आयज गरज आसा, बिकॉज आयज आमी पळयतात मॉस्किटोज वाडला, इतली घाण पसरल्या कारणान थंय आमकां घाणीचे मुड्डे पळोवपाक मेळटा। खंय तरी बेगीनच्या बेगीन ही जी गार्बेज आसा ती आयज क्लीन करपाची गरज आसा।
So if you can see, there's a lot of garbage thrown here in the night. This place has no lights, nothing. One very major issue I wanted to bring up was a lot of people talk about dog menace and stuff, and they hate on feeders and all. This is the reason why dog population is increasing. Before COVID, there were no feeders, there was nothing, and this is how the population of dogs have increased with no sterilization and all. This is the ready-made food that they're getting with people just dumping around, and now this place, there's no lights, nothing in the night. There's like a huge group of dogs that stay here because of the garbage being dumped here, and then once you start chasing bikes, they start hating on the dogs. So I think the first root level of the problem is garbage. Please make sure that we need to the concerned authority really needs to get into this and fix this, and then everything else will be in place. This is really very, very unsafe, even in terms of for humans. There's like mosquitoes and everything just getting worse here. So I think this should be solved first, and everything else will fall in place.
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार आणि मनीषा जाधव।